so I am up. Okay, so I'm just trying to set up really quickly here, and I think I am straight. And it's kind of weird looking at yourself. I'm filming on my phone and I'm looking at my iPad, so it's kind of weird. So this is my very first live, so I'm just gonna roll with things right now. This is really impromptu, so so there's nobody on right now, but like I said, this is really impromptu. I didn't even say anything about doing a live. So I'm trying to get into doing more live videos. So the way this is going to work is I'm going to, like, as people come on and people make comments, I'm going to try to keep up with them, but I'm going to try to focus in on the project, because I've seen a few lives, and so I kind of have a tendency of what I like and what I don't like. So I don't like it when sometimes when people are too talky and stuff. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So the project today is using the Delightful Daisy bundle. And so with this bundle, you get the stamp set and you get the punch. And I am also using the Daisy, hold on, which one is this one? This is Daisy Delight, the Delightful Daisy pattern paper, and some of the gold faceted gems. So today is a really good day in Stampin' Up! Because it's on stage day, and I'm not there, but I'm not there because I couldn't go because I have a vacation coming up this summer, so I had to spend my money on that. So the new catalog is going to be released to the demonstrators who are there today. They get the catalog today. I will be able to see the PDF version as of Monday, and I cannot wait. And then in May is when catalogs can be shipped to you guys, the customers. I think it's usually like mid-May, mid to late May. And so I will be doing that to people who have placed a minimum order of at least, I think I said $35 with me during the past year. You will be getting a free catalog automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my card. Okay. So here are the materials that I have. And we're going to start off with our card base. And this is an 8.5 by 5.5 sheet of cardstock. And I'm going to score this at 4.5. I mean 4.25 to make the card base. Okay. And for some reason, I lost my other bone folder. I've been going crazy all morning looking for it. But I have to make do with what I have. So I'm planning to do more regular lives. Right now, I am currently in school. I have 3 more weeks left, so I'll be finished by the end of April. And so then I'm planning on doing more regular lives, trying to figure out which days will be best. It will probably be the weekend, just because I work during the week, and by the time I get home at night, I'm probably not going to feel like doing a live video. So that's something that I'm working towards, especially with the new catalog. So the Designer Series paper here is cut out at 2.5 by 5.5, and we're going to adhere this up here like this, where we still have we have more room at the bottom. This is maybe about what, 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches. So we're going to adhere that, and so I was saying I'm almost finished with school, so I can't wait. I've been, the past 18 months, I have been in school getting my healthcare administration degree. I actually just got inducted into the Honor Society for keeping up with 3.8 GPA average. So that's actually very exciting because I'm trying to motivate my daughter to do better in school. But hopefully one day it will click with her. Right now she's all into her video games and friends. I think maybe when she gets in middle school it will start to click. Okay, so we have that there. So now we're going to do stamping, and I have this piece of 4.5 by 4.25 by 11 sheet of cardstock, and I'm going to use the Night of Navy ink. Okay, and I have my daisy here. So after this, my daughter attends Saturday Academy at her school. So our principal is a new principal. He started last year, and our school it's a Title I school, so that means that more than 60% of the student body lives below or at poverty level. So you know, the grades are not great either. So, and we don't do grades in Fairfax County when you're in elementary school for some reason. I kind of think it's kind of foolish, but that's the way it goes out here. But they have to take the SOLs, which is similar to Common Core. And so before he came on board, our school has failed the SOLs 4 years in a row. So they replaced the principal to keep from having to close down the school. And so he implemented what they call Saturday Academy to give kids third through 6th grade extra instruction. So now I'm going to punch out the daisies. So, and it's like, so they do that for 3 hours a Saturday. So it ends early next month. So that's why I'm able to get on here and do this in some sort of piece. Okay. This is why I get nervous when doing live videos. Okay, there we go. I don't know, it's kind of nerve-wracking sometimes when thinking about doing lives, but it's cool. I'm going to get used to it. So, okay. There we go. Ah! Okay, I just realized that I smudged one of my daisies here. Alright, let's see if I can find another piece of paper really quickly. I didn't even realize that I did that. Okay. And then we're just going to stamp a quick one. Okay. So here I am talking about trying not to be too chatty. And what do? I end up being chatty and not paying attention to what I'm doing. I guess there's nothing wrong with being a little too chatty. I always sit there and say, for those of you who don't know, I'm a single parent. So a lot of times my conversations is like yelling at my child, telling her to do her homework, get off the video games, and things like that, or listening to 11-year-old drama, which makes no sense to me. And so with that, I don't get an opportunity to have a lot of adult conversation. Okay, we're going to try not to smudge this one again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some glue dots. And we're going to layer these up. Okay, and I like using the glue dots on these because it gives it just a little bit of added dimension. Okay, so we're going to bring our card base back in. And I'm going to stamp thank you using the Knight of Navy. Okay, and I'm going to put it over here in the right hand corner. Okay, that actually turned out a little bit better than my first card. Okay, so what I'm going to do really quickly is just on the first layer, bring this up just for some more dimension there. Okay, and then we're going to add that on with some glue dots. And we are almost done. Let me add one more on here. I didn't like the placement of that one. Okay. You're gonna fill that out right there. Okay, and then the last little piece is we're going to add some of the gold faceted gems. I'm hoping that these stay in the catalog. I'll find out Monday and I'll let you guys know, because the retirement PDF will be coming out on Monday, and I have to find out if we can release it to you guys then. Usually we can, but I will find out. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to be in the new catalog. It's very exciting. Okay, and that is it. So there goes my thank you cards using the Daisy Delight. Not bad for my first live, my first official live. So thank you guys. Thank you so much, Patricia. Thank you. So I'm hoping to get more in. I'm going to try to get one in next Saturday while my daughter's at school. So I'm actually enjoying this. Alrighty. Bye-bye.